Your store just answered 300 customer questions, recovered 12 abandoned carts, and clipped them while you slept. That's not a fantasy. That's Zipchat AI running your sales and support around the clock. It handles chat, email, WhatsApp, Instagram, and Messenger DMs, all from one AI agent trained specifically on your brand, not some generic bot. Your tone, your products, your FAQs. When a customer lingers too long on a page or keeps scrolling without buying, Zipchat catches that hesitation and fires a proactive message right in the moment it matters. It syncs your product catalog, pulls from your reviews and specs, and makes recommendations that actually convert. You get a full dashboard showing revenue impact, support deflection, and conversation analytics. Every channel, every time zone, 95 languages, no extra headcount. If you're running a high volume store and still leaving money on the table overnight, that needs to change. Start your free trial at zipchat.ai today.